Here's a step-by-step guide to Discord server verification. So in Discord, you can add security bot to your server. So open a web browser, go to discord.com, log into your account and open a new tab and search for security bot. Go to securitybot.gg. Here, tap on add security bot option. Now go ahead and select the server where you want to add the security. Tap on continue. Scroll down, tap on authorize. Go through a verification process and security will be authorized and added to your specific server that you selected. Now you can close this window, open Discord or refresh your Discord window. Go to that specific server where you added the security bot. Now you need to go back to Discord server. Type in /verification type. Select a verification option like, for example, one click and send command. You can see that the verification type has been set to one-click verification. Now tap on your server name in the top left, go to server settings, then go to roles. An unverified role will be automatically created. Tap on that specific role, enter the role name, go to manage members, tap on add members, select the member that you want to invite for the role, tap on add, then tap on save changes. Now assign the verified role. Type in /verification set verified. Select the role that you just created. This is the role members will receive after successful verification. That's it. Now when the members join your server, they'll need to complete the verification process. And once verified, they'll automatically be assigned to designated member role and gain access to your server. You can test the entire process with an alternate account to ensure everything is working correctly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.